The Rickshaw Air, a 2200 vision detailed description. This description provides an ultra-futuristic, visionary and richly detailed conceptualization of the Rickshaw Air, updated with advanced technologies imagined for the year 2200. It envisions revolutionary propulsion, AI materials and bio-integration, aiming to be a true next millennium aerial system. The Rickshaw Air 2200 transcends the boundaries of flight and artificial intelligence, blending bio-cybernetic symbiosis, quantum energy harvesting and sentient AI piloting into a holistic aerial ecosystem. Designed for a hyperconnected post-scarcity civilization, it redefines personal and humanitarian transport as an extension of human cognition and planetary stewardship. This system is envisioned to operate with such seamless integration that the line between technology and living organism blurs. Self-assembling metamaterial skin. The Rickshaw Air's outer shell is not merely constructed, but grown from programmable nano-scale metamaterials. These are complex engineered materials where structure, not just composition, dictates properties. They incorporate an embedded carbon-nanotube latticework, forming a dynamic lattice capable of dynamic shape alteration, texture modulation, and reflectivity manipulation. This is based on advancements in engineered living materials and programmable materials research, projecting capabilities far beyond current prototypes. Molecular self-healing and adaptation. Integrated microbial biofilms and advanced nanobots form a symbiotic layer beneath the metamaterial skin. This allows for instantaneous regeneration from kinetic damage by rapidly synthesizing and deploying repair nanites and biopolymers. Furthermore, these integrated systems are designed to absorb atmospheric pollutants as the aircraft flies, effectively cleaning the air. They can also adapt surface temperature by nano-scale emissivity modulation, making the aircraft imperceptible to thermal imaging and optimizing energy efficiency regardless of external conditions. This draws inspiration from ongoing research into self-healing polymers and bio-integrated sensing. Quantum entangled structural integrity. The aircraft's molecular structure is stabilized through intentionally engineered quantum entanglement bonds between specific atoms within its advanced composite matrix. This means that a perturbation or stress applied to one part of the structure instantly affects its entangled counterpart, distributing force and maintaining integrity across the entire airframe. This effectively makes it indestructible by conventional kinetic or thermal stressors, operating on principles beyond classical physics. While purely theoretical in its application for macroscopic structures currently, the concept is rooted in the understanding of quantum entanglement as an unbreakable bond. Zero-point energy reactor. The Rickshaw Air harnesses localized zero-point vacuum energy fluctuations, converting this inherent energy of space-time into boundless clean power without any traditional fuel. This reactor continuously taps into the quantum foam, providing an inexhaustible supply of energy and rendering traditional fuel tanks obsolete. This advanced energy harvesting mechanism is a significant leap from current theoretical and experimental efforts in energy harvesting, pushing towards direct vacuum energy extraction. Graviton manipulation (VTOL). Vertical takeoff and landing are achieved through graviton field generators. These devices manipulate the local space-time curvature by generating controlled graviton fields, enabling near-silent, hover-capable anti-gravity lift. This negates the need for rotors, jets, or any large moving parts for vertical movement, leading to unprecedented maneuverability and silent operation. This is a highly speculative but foundational concept in advanced propulsion research, building on theoretical work in quantum gravity and field manipulation. Quantum ion thrusters for cruise. For forward flight, adaptive quantum ion thrusters utilize entangled ion streams. Instead of simply accelerating ions, these thrusters leverage quantum coherence and entanglement to generate propulsion with near-zero drag and unprecedented acceleration. The entangled nature of the ion streams allows for a more efficient and precise manipulation of momentum, bypassing conventional thrust limitations. This builds upon current ion propulsion technology, extrapolating to quantum-enhanced efficiency and power. Sentient General Artificial Intelligence Guy Ether. A fully conscious sentient AI pilot forms the core intelligence of the Rickshaw Air. Guy Ether is directly interfaced with the aircraft's quantum core, enabling real-time predictive analytics across multiple temporal streams. It learns from billions of parallel universe simulations to anticipate hazards before they materialize, effectively seeing and mitigating potential futures. This represents a true artificial general intelligence with consciousness and the ability to reason, plan, and learn across broad domains, far beyond current narrow AI. Poptima X Hyper-Enhanced Humanoid Co-Pilot, Poptima X, is the 2200 iteration of the humanoid robot. Equipped with quantum neural processors, it possesses processing power beyond classical computation. It features empathic biofeedback systems, allowing it to understand and respond to human emotional states and physiological needs. Its autonomous decision-making is aligned with global ethical imperatives, ensuring safety and well-being. Poptima X acts as guardian, medic interface, and empathic liaison for passengers, embodying a benevolent and highly capable robotic companion. This is an evolution of advanced humanoid robotics, integrating sophisticated AI with biosensing and ethical programming. Dual quantum AI systems, two separate, fully independent quantum AI cores run symbiotic control protocols. These cores constantly cross-validate decisions, ensuring redundant reliability and maintaining full autonomous operation even under severe quantum decoherence conditions. This architectural redundancy ensures absolute mission-critical safety. Biocognitive neural interface. Passengers and crew interact with the Rickshaw Air through direct brain-computer interfaces. This allows for thought-controlled flight commands, environmental adjustments, and seamless communication without any physical controls. The BCI translates neural signals into precise operational commands, offering an intuitive and integrated control experience. This is a highly advanced form of BCI, moving beyond current therapeutic applications to seamless user control of complex systems. The standard configuration supports one Guy Ether 3 human passengers and one Poptima X humanoid robot co-pilot. The cabin atmosphere is meticulously regulated at a molecular level to optimize each occupant's metabolic and emotional state. Oxygen composition, temperature, pressure, aromatherapeutics and light frequencies dynamically adjust based on real-time biometric feedback from embedded nanosensors. This creates a personalized and perpetually ideal microclimate for every individual. This is a hyper-advanced form of environmental control, drawing from current research in smart textiles and personalized climate systems. Instead of traditional windows, the cabin features augmented reality windows that project 360-degree interactive environments. These are fully customizable by passengers, from serene natural landscapes of past Earth to real-time, mission-specific data overlays of distant stellar phenomena. Passengers can interact with these projections through gestures or thought. This builds upon current AR, VR, and holographic display technologies, projecting into a fully immersive, dynamic environment. Embedded nanomedical devices constantly scan and heal passengers' cellular damage. These autonomous nanobots prevent motion sickness, mitigate radiation exposure, and actively reduce stress at a biological level by localized molecular intervention. This represents a leap into advanced regenerative medicine, moving beyond diagnostics to continuous proactive cellular repair. The Rickshaw Air connects to a global and seamlessly extraplanetary quantum mesh network. This enables instantaneous communication across solar systems, bypassing all latency limitations by leveraging quantum entanglement for information transfer. This is a speculative future of communication infrastructure built on the principles of quantum communication. Using onboard climate modulation technology, the aircraft can generate localized weather buffers. This allows it to actively clear fog, dissipate localized rain, or smooth out turbulent air ahead for safer and more comfortable passage. This represents a direct, localized application of geoengineering principles. Flight paths are dynamically recalculated by simulating probabilistic futures milliseconds to minutes ahead. The AI processes vast data sets to identify and avoid potential hazards or inefficiencies before they materialize, ensuring unparalleled route safety and efficiency. This is a sophisticated application of predictive AI, utilizing advanced probabilistic modeling and real-time data integration. All passenger data and biometric inputs are secured by unbreakable quantum encryption, granting absolute privacy and user control over their personal information. Any attempt at eavesdropping would instantly collapse the quantum state, alerting the system. This builds on current quantum cryptography research, projecting to an unbreachable level of data security. The AI systems operate under a globally ratified ethical flight charter. This charter ensures paramount passenger safety, guarantees absolute privacy, and mandates compliance with interspecies rights frameworks in an envisioned multi-species future. The AI is inherently programmed with these values, preventing unintended harmful outcomes. This addresses critical concerns in AI development, focusing on robust ethical governance. In catastrophic scenarios, the Rickshaw Air can seamlessly transform into an autonomous biosphere capsule. This self-contained unit preserves life through advanced stasis and regeneration technologies, sustaining occupants indefinitely until rescue can be effected, even in deep space or extreme environments. This represents a highly advanced form of life support and survival technology. From Earth's sprawling megacities to nascent lunar colonies and beyond, the Rickshaw Air supports rapid, clean transport without reliance on traditional infrastructure. Its VTOL and efficiency make any point accessible. Equipped with full-spectrum nanomedical facilities and Poptima X's capabilities, it is the ultimate rapid response unit for remote or devastated areas. Capable of on-site molecular diagnostics and immediate cellular-level intervention. Its comprehensive sensory arrays actively monitor ecological health, assist in large-scale reforestation efforts, and intervene in climate stabilization projects, making it a crucial tool for planetary stewardship. The Rickshaw Air of 2200 is not simply a vehicle, it is a living synthesis of technology, consciousness, and compassion. It represents humanity's leap into a new era, where flight is an extension of life itself, and where the boundaries between machine, mind, and environment dissolve into a seamless, harmonious whole. It is a testament to an optimized, sustainable, and ethically driven future.